Hello everyone. In the previous video, we saw a plane inclined to both the planes, and in this video, we will see one more case is that a plane is inclined to both the planes. In the previous one, we saw a pentagon plane. Now we'll see a rectangular plane with certain conditions. You can see the question that a rectangular plane of 30 into 70 mm side is resting on HP on one of its shorter edge. The polygon is resting on HP on one of its shorter edge, and the surface is inclined at 30 degrees to horizontal plane. Draw its projections when the edge with which is resting on the HP makes an angle 50 degrees to vertical plane. So from the question we can understand that the rectangular plane is resting on HP on one of its shorter edge, and the surface is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. The edge which is resting is making an angle 50 degrees to VP. When it is resting on HP, the top view is a rectangle and front view is a line, as we seen in the previous tutorials. Yes, so first the top view will draw a rectangle. So we can draw a rectangle by using the command polyline PL. So first 70 mm length, I will start somehow below polyline 70 mm, and the width is 30 mm, again 70 mm, and then 30 mm. Yes, now the rectangle finished. You can see it's a polyline command, so that's why loop surface. Yeah, finished. So now we will give the notations for the rectangle when it is viewed from top view. 6 0. Yeah, so first I'll start from here. You can start from anywhere, it's not a big deal. A, B, C, and then D. So this is about the top view. And to draw the front view, draw the projectors till the reference line. Now this is the front view. Bring it to front, otherwise select this one and give in the modify send to back. Yeah, we'll give the front view notations. So when you view from the front, D is visible, A is invisible. So D dash of A dash, and the same C dash of B dash. This is the front view. Yes. Okay. So initial case resting on HP finished. And one more case is that it is resting on one of its shorter edge and the surface is inclined at 30 degrees to horizontal plane. If you see the rectangle, these two are the longer edges and these two are the shorter edges. In the question they are asking about the shorter edge, so we will choose either this edge or this edge. In the present case I am choosing this edge. So the rectangle will lie on HP on this edge AD, on this edge AD, and this complete surface is going to make an angle 30 degrees to horizontal plane. When a polygon is making 30 degrees inclination to HP, the front view looks a inclined line. The front view looks a inclined line, as we have seen in the previous tutorials also. So this line will be 30 degrees inclination because there will be no change in the front view because the same plane, just it is tilting. So Control C, Control V. Yes, along with the view I am selecting and then rotate. Yes, the angle is 30 degrees to HP. You can measure it. 30 degrees to so this is the front view. This is the front view when it is inclined to HP. Now we will draw the top view by projecting the projectors from the front view and then horizontal projectors. Yes, finished. Now see, this belongs to AB and this belongs to DA. So initial case will be common case A1 and this one will be B1 and this one will be C1 and this one will be D1. Yes. So after making the points using the polyline command, connect all the points A2, B, B2, C, C2, D, D2, A. See? So this is the top view when the surface is inclined at 30 degrees to HP. Trim the unnecessary portion. Okay. And the third case is that and the edge with which it is resting on HP is making an angle 50 degrees to vertical plane. So the resting edge is AD and this edge wanna make 50 degrees inclination with the respect to vertical plane. So I am selecting it now. Because this will be inclination, so there will be no change in dimensions. Control C, Control V, just paste it here and then select all, rotate. So this edge is resting on HP, so I am selecting the base point is A1, this one, and the angle is 50 degrees. As we seen in the video in the previous tutorial that when it gonna make 50 degrees to vertical plane, so 90 minus 50, so we need to enter 40. Yes, you can measure now the angle will be 50 degrees to vertical plane. See, this is perfect. So this is the final top view. This is the final top view, means when a polygon is inclined to both the planes, this will be the top view. Now we need to draw the front view by projecting the projectors. Yes. Now horizontal projector. Already it is there, so no need to mark it again. Now we will give the points. So first I'll start from here. This belongs to A1 and this is DA. So the common point is A. So A1 dash, because of front view, A1 dash, and this one B and B. So this point will be B1 dash, B1 dash, and this is C, and this point will be C1 dash, and this one D1 dash, D1 dash. Yeah, finished. So connect it with polyline command. A1 dash to B1 dash, B1 dash to C1 dash, C1 dash to D1 dash, D1 dash to A1 dash. See, this will be the final front view. Now we finished final front view and final top view when the plane is inclined to both the planes. As I said, remove the unnecessary portion. So this will be the final drawing. As I said, optionally you can give or you can fill the color to look as real polygon. I am taking it as a solid color using a yellow. Yes, we need to give the dimensions for everything. Take aligned for any, it will align method will work for linear as well as inclination also. See, 70, 30, because of inclination the length get reduced. You can check it out in the layout. Yes, it fits perfectly. You can change the color, that's it.